What about the Robbie from Primary Lawns? Today we're going to be doing some aerating, some scarifying. We're going to be putting down some moss killer, and we're going to be doing a weed and feed, so stick around. So at the minute Daniel's just aerating, so we're pulling out the hollow cores at the minute. We use the hollow cores because we'll get to pull out a bit of thatch. I'll just show you that now. You see there, very clay soil. So whenever we hollow core aerate, we're actually looking to remove that bit of thatch. That's the real benefit of hollow core aeration over and above just solid core. So I get asked a lot of questions about what's best and should you hollow core and should you solid core. We do prefer using the hollow cores because you do pull out this bit of thatch. But I know a lot of people struggle to maybe get an aerator that can do that. So I did a video a couple of weeks ago on how to aerate your lawn with a lot of things that you might have around the house. And I would say it's more important that you get the holes down in the ground than actually how you go about if you do the solid or the hollow core. So make sure you check out that video. I'll put a card up on the screen here.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You've gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You've gotta look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, best to forget. Ooh, then no one coming through the door is your silhouette, your silhouette. Oh, I'm in a one.
Right guys, so welcome back. I had to put the camera away there because it's starting to snow. Can you believe it? We're in the end of April and it's snowing. This is one of the reasons why we don't start overseeding until well into the middle of April. Now, sort of depending on where you are in the UK, you might be able to start seeding sooner, but definitely here in Belfast, we'll not start seeding until well into April because you're always guaranteed, there's always a risk that the weather's going to turn cold tonight there. They're predicting a frost, they're saying it's going to be down to -1, and that's no good for new seeds at all. So that's how we look at this lawn here. You see the thatch here. So mixture of grass, a lot of moss, and just that organic layer. We'll took out a fair bit from the lawn. So there, Daniel's just tidying up with a blower. The sun's actually come out, splitting the clouds. You wouldn't know that it was hailstones just 2 minutes ago. That's the joys of April showers, so let's get back to it. I get a lot of questions about these sprayers. Where the Milwaukee sprayer comes into its own, it actually has a system. We'll take that off. The good thing about these sprayers is you can just switch over from one to the other, so you can have weed killer in one, iron in the other. So there's Daniel putting on the moss killer now. For anybody that just watches my show or is just new to my show, we put the moss killer on afterwards. It's actually, we use a product called iron. It doesn't kill the moss, it just burns it. Whenever you put the moss control on beforehand, it just sits on top and it only burns the top. Whenever you scarify, you're creating the lines in the soil and you're burning it right down. Alright guys, so that's us coming to the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure that you smash that like button down there, subscribe for more videos. I guess I post regular lawn care tips and tricks and bringing your lawn to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.